Hi guys, today we are going to see the entire full stack tutorial. So I'm going to teach you the each and every code which I have done for my project. Actually, my project is a what wipe. So I created the responsive website with cool features like a navigation menu, a model pop-up, and a joke integration using the joke API. So I will explain every part of the code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and API integration. So let's dive into the project source code. So here for the HTML, I have done two documents. So the first is the index.html is one file and map.html is another file. Also, let me explain the index.html. So actually, the structure of the website is HTML. Let's start with the structure written in HTML. So the talk type HTML and the HTML this sets the basic structure of this website. So I defined the language as English for the better accessibility. So that's the header section. So the head included I included the media tags like viewport for responsiveness. The cassette I just included the UTF-8 for the proper encoding and the link. So to the CSS. Wait a minute. To the CSS and the title defines the title of the web page as Vault Wipe. So nothing but the title of the project Vault Wipe. So the navigation buttons. The navigation buttons which are here, the navigation button for the flex have I've given like bg green. It's a color we can use it through the bg. These are the functions have been used there. So the navigation button is wrapped inside with an id nav container. So it contains three div elements style to look like the boss. So this is for mobile navigation. So I created the navigation menu inside another div tag with the ID nav content. So it's a list of links such as home, about, and they don't have. So if you don't have an EV car, so I created the separate page for that. So the last buttons or triggers a function to fetch jokes. Sorry, the last button triggers the jokes. Yeah, this. And finally, I added a footer with the branding and contact information. So it completes the page design here. So have done the another HTML file called map. I have included with using the help of API. So I have included the Google Map there because we can easily find the petrol bank which has located near our location. So we can easily find it, right. So I just have included that. So for the CSS, wait a minute. So these are the map. These are the stuffs which I have done in the map. So let me go and explain the CSS. So in the CSS, it's basically used for styling the website. So now let's move on to the CSS, which makes the website visually appealing. So the body has a greenish background color. So on the user the clean font for better readability. So the navigation buttons has a three bar style with the class icon bar here. So using transition, I have made the boss animator into the cross. So when the menu is clicked, the menu slides from the left using the transform property. So the model has a semi-transparent black background that covers the screen. So the content of the model is centered and styled with the padding and borders to make it look neat. So here the content of the model is centered. Um, so the close button changes color when hovered for the better user experience. So better user experience, I have included that. So let me go on the footer setting. The footer has black background with white text. Footer has black background with white text, and I have spaced the items using flexbox. So after CSS, let me go and explain the JavaScript. Here I have added many things there in JavaScript. Let me explain it deeply. You will get the insights from that. Once I cover this, you will get insights. So I selected the model content close button and navigation menu using document.getElement by ID. So and query selector. So the joke key function is triggered when the user clicks don't have an e-car. So it opens a model, fetches a joke from the API and display it inside the model content. So I use the joke API to fetch the programming and pun jokes. So the fetch function sends the request to the API and they receive a response in JSON format. If the response is a single line joke, it is displayed as it is. So for the two part jokes, both the setup and delivery are displayed. I also saved the jokes in the local storage, so users can access them even if they refresh the page. Model close functionality. So the close button hides the model. So clicking anywhere outside the model also closes it. So using an on-click even on the window. So I have created the project, so which is fully responsible website. So the navigation menu is hidden by default and only appears when the button is clicked. So the layout adjusts it smoothly for the mobile, tablet, and desktop screens also. So these are all the images which I have used for this project. These are the images. So you can take the similar images from the Google as well. No need to give the exact image. So I will add it. I will add these images in my description. You can take it from there. Okay, and that's how I built what web step by step. The project shows how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can work together to create an engaging, interactive website. So it also demonstrates API integration for adding dynamic content. Uh, so let me run this and explain. Yeah, this is my project. This is my project. So give the button. Let's go. Just read out of juice. If you park the car with out of fuel, you can use it. It will direct you to the Google Map. So I added this through the API. So auto while visiting the site, you have to click this. You have to click this and you want to search Ramanathapuram. You can search anything. You can search anything. You can easily find the petrol bunks, which is located near us. Actually, yeah, you can see in this page. Yeah, these are all the petrol bunks. These are the petrol bunks, which is marked in the green color and yellow color. These are the. You can easily add it using the add button in the other page. I will go through that. I will go through that. One second. Let me go. And click the button. Find nearest charging station. You can easily find what are the fuel station which has been located near us. So it's work like the similar which have been encountered previous. Sorry. Yeah, here as I told you earlier, use the add location. You can easily add it. So before that you have to sign in. Before that you have to sign in. Just let me sign. If you don't have account, try to create the account and log in. So since I already have account, I just click the sign in and I have signed the page. So you can easily give the location name. Just type somewhat Chennai, Chennai Bank or Tirunelveli Bank or somewhat, and you have to give some address line for that. Where you want to place that bank, you have to give the same address that in address line one, address line two. So in where you want to locate the petrol bank, so you have to give the town name there. So state postal code, like the information you have to give that. So I forgot to say that one thing. Um, you can easily go to the home through the home. No need to click the left button. Yeah, you can also filter this options. You can change the status, change the usage, change the connection types. You can easily increase and decrease the power also using this power of KB. There's also a lot of options there. You can easily change the language and map and as well max results. So at last I have added that if you don't have an account, I just added a joke there. Through the joke API, I just added the joke. So it will randomly generate the jokes. So you can just read it out and enjoy that. Since you don't have a car, here's a joke. Hey baby, I wish your name was asynchronous. So you would have given me a call back. I think it will generate the jokes. So that's all about my project. If you have any further more doubts, you can comment in the video and I will see and I will reply that. Thank you guys. Thank you for seeing this video. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Thank you.